everybody. Today there's no school, and we decided to make pancakes because we've been going to McDonald's very often, and we're getting bored of that, and because it's just wasting money when we could do something at home.
What?
We're gonna do pancakes, and of course you're gonna see us doing them. If you are out there and you're hungry and you're bored and you want to do them, here's the ingredients you need. It's flour, pancake flour. Second, you need butter. Third, you need water. You need the chocolate syrup, just in case you don't want the other syrup. Whipping cream to give it a little taste. Second is make the pancakes, and you're gonna see that right now. So we made the pancakes, and if you excuse us, we're gonna start eating. Enjoy if you made them. What? You start when butter. You need the chocolate syrup just in case you don't want the flour.